Okay, so this is round one with these mint Oreo cookie truffles, and I'm going to declare round one not a full-on failure, but not a success. They don't look very good, and that's due to my white chocolate coating. I'll get to that in a bit. But they also don't taste exactly how I want them to taste either. I use to achieve the mint flavor, because I only have these regular Oreo cookies and I want them to be mint Oreo. I tried using creme de menthe as one of my 3 ingredients in this recipe. So there's regular Oreos, creme de menthe, and cream cheese, and I just don't really like the flavor. The texture is really nice. It's got this really nice fudgy texture, and that part looks really good. But it just doesn't quite have that taste that I'm looking for. Maybe my palate isn't grown up to have a liqueur in my chocolates. The other problem is the white chocolate. I tried melting white chocolate chips for the coating, but white chocolate chips don't melt very well. They don't melt really smooth, so I had this really thick white chocolate coating. I couldn't get a smooth coating, so I tried to do these designs, and these looked gross too. So now I've got these white chocolate discs, which are supposed to melt a lot better and a lot smoother. So I'm also going to try a variation on the actual cookie mix. Instead of going with creme de menthe this time, I'm going to try these striped peppermint candies. We'll see if this does the trick, if I can achieve the mint Oreo truffle that I'm after, and we'll see if I get better results than these. Wish me luck with round 2. So round 2 of my mint Oreo truffles actually worked a lot better. This time I used just straight up Oreo cookies. I used just 1 row of cookies for the sake of experimenting. I used the 1 row of cookies, 1/3 of a brick of cream cheese, and I think I put 6 of these individually wrapped striped peppermint candies. So mixed all of that together in the food processor, let that dough chill for a bit, then I rolled it into balls, then I froze those balls so that I can dip them in the white chocolate coating. And instead of using the white chocolate chips, I instead used the white chocolate wafers, and I also did them in a double boiler, which worked a lot better than melting them in the microwave. Now this white chocolate has been on for a while, so now it's kind of gross. However, it did melt really nice actually, and I think my truffles look a lot better than the original ones. I got the thin coating. I would maybe, in an ideal world, give these a second coating because they're still kind of translucent. But now my white chocolate is gross, so that's not going to happen. But I also prefer the taste of these truffles better to the ones with the creme de menthe. They just have a more fun, youngish taste with the candy canes rather than the liqueur mint flavoring. So there we go. I think these are them. I'm going to wrap these up nice and bring them to Mike and Lisa, and I will let them taste test my Oreo mint chocolate truffles.